Happy holiday, everyone.
Hi everyone.
So this month of December, as you guys know, it's one of the best months to do a lot of video. We're happy. Look at this.
This is so much weight gain. I know you guys been telling. I know this is so many comments to lose me weight. And
But how can you lose weight? Your food is so delicious.
I know that's another problem I have. I can't, when I start eating, I can't control. And especially when my parents here, I have cooking all my childhood food I miss. So I want.
So delicious.
Yeah,
guys.
I cooked for them. Like I cooked yesterday, walaka bhaji, onion bhaji. I did a pal kolkata. I did, Mysore bonda, all the stuff. It's a good recipe for weight gain. You guys know already. I just eat with a happiness. But anyway, this is a 86 inches TV, LG. So we bought from Costco. They delivered today, LG UHD thin Q. So this is one of the new addition for the new house.
So anyway, one thing I like about Costco, if you ever purchase any items at Costco, you already know if things doesn't work, you can return it back and they will give your money back, or you can switch it to a different product if you want to. And that's the reason why we chose to purchase this at Costco. I think it was really great price too as well.
And also we're gonna tag the product and you're just gonna click it. But let's get into the video. Today's video, literally we're going to unbox the TV, right?
Hey, okay. Here's a cool thing. So it literally comes with a Netflix, Disney Plus, with all the YouTube, all the good stuff right here.
Apps, yeah.
And also it have Alexa, which I hate Alexa. It has an Apple AirPlay. That's super cool. If you have an Apple phone, you can literally like play music from your cell phone, transfer it to this TV. How cool is that?
So it came with a TV stand. One TV stand here. Ooh. There's another one. There is another one here when I open the box. This is two TV stands you guys can see here.
Yeah.
Wow. And
it's huge.
Remote, batteries, manual, all kind of stuff. You brought a days to my nights. Something you do. Okay, another thing. This is a Bose soundbar. We bought it from Costco as well. This is huge difference compared to the TV. You want to bring the box?
Oh yeah, let me go grab it.
Yeah, my wife is going to bring the box. This is Samsung.
All right guys, so this is Bose soundbar 550.
Yeah.
It's really great. Huge difference when you like listen, when you watch a movie. Oh my god. It has Apple AirPlay as well, Spotify. It has HDMI cable. It's Wi-Fi. You can work with Wi-Fi too. So it's really, really cool.
Yeah. So that's the soundbar is a huge difference, like I said. So let's do remove the old TV first.
Okay.
I just unplug everything, all the wires.
Yeah.
Oh wow, told you when you came my way, can nobody take your place. Oh wow. Like the game them play.
Oh, it's very easy to open.
Ta-da! Woo! Look at this.
Look at the new addition.
This is so cool.
I'm gonna put it here.
It comes really protected.
Teamwork, baby.
Teamwork, baby. Already our fingerprints. I can see my fingerprints here.
Okay, while she's checking, I'm gonna remove these boys out of the area.
It's good, baby.
It's good.
Good job. Good job, honey.
My life, yeah. You brought the days to my night.
Okay, guys, I put the battery in. Here, baby,
Really?
turn it on. My
Really?
wife is gonna turn it on.
Oh my gosh! Let's do this.
Let me close the windshield so you guys can see the TV good, right?
I'm sure when the kids come from school, they'll be like, oh, what?
Press OK button when you.
Whoa. High technology.
Oh my god, this is too much information we're giving.
What? No.
Chicago.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, time zone.
Mobile device, TV.
Ooh, that's nice.
What's this kid?
Wow.
Voila! Explore the world with your LG TV, guys. Okay, now we are done. Install all the apps.
So this is where we are.
All right, guys. So this is the whole video for today.
Ooh, that was a lot of work.
Yeah, it was a lot of work. Unboxing 86 inches LG TV. I keep saying Samsung. I don't know. Okay, and also I have a Bose 550. It's all bought from Costco. We're gonna put the link on the tag product. You're gonna check it out. If you guys like this video, always
Leave it a thumbs up. You wanna call Pai and Tata to check it out? Yeah, call
let
them.
me call my parents. I wanna show them first this one. I'm trying to call my parents.
I think they're sleeping.
Yeah,
right
they're
now.
sleeping. Yeah, what time it is? Oh, it's at 2 o'clock. They're probably sleeping. So once they wake up, I'm gonna show them. They'll be happy. But anyway, they're not sit down and watching, enjoying
That's the reason
my room.
why we're taking this TV upstairs, actually. So I'm sure they're gonna love the other TV upstairs, because upstairs we have another living room where we're gonna set up. Hopefully we'll show you in the next video. They will love to have a TV. They love to watch Indian Tamil movie, Tamil music. So this is really great for them too. We'll share that with you guys in the next video though. Thank you so much for watching this video. So excited to celebrate Christmas with this new 86-inch LG TV. Oh my God, the kids are gonna love it. I love it already. I can't wait to sit down, get my popcorn, and watch a movie.
And I'm gonna take myself to the gym for sure. But just give me the time. Don't get exaggerated. I will work on it.
We both gonna work on it.
It was so much stuff is going on, you know.
Yeah.
Besides.
Anyway, next year.
Oh, my dad is here.
Oh.
Muna pudu TV irukku vandu parunga. Huh?
Come on.
Ah.
So our little puppy wanted to know what is new to the house. But did you see this?
Ta-da.
We got a new TV. Okay? How is it?
Super.
Super, it's big.
Super good.
Yeah, பெருசு ரொம்ப பெருசா இருக்கு.
Yeah.
ரொம்ப பெருசா இருக்கு டிவி. ரொம்ப சூப்பரா
86 inch.
86 inch 86 inch.
86 inch.
புது டிவி.
அந்த டிவி அந்த இங்க இருந்து டிவி வந்து மேல போகுது உங்களுக்கு.
மேல போகுது.
So this one is gonna go upstairs.
Okay.
You can watch movie, music. You can watch here or upstairs. So yeah.
Super.
என்னாச்சு தேக்கு?
Super.
This is really big, right? Now you can watch movie, music here, upstairs.
தம்பி பெரிய டிவி வாங்கியிருக்கான். இன்னொரு டிவி இருக்குது. அந்த டிவியை கொண்டு போய் மேலே பார்க்கறதுக்கு எனக்கு வைக்கிறேன். இன்னொரு டிவி ஒன்று இருக்குது. கொஞ்சம் ஸ்மால் டிவி. அது இந்தியாவுக்கு அனுப்பிடுறேன்னு இருக்காங்க.
She's talking about the TV India. She already planned.
முடிஞ்சிச்சுன்னா தூக்கிட்டு வந்துருவான்.
Oh, the small TV is gonna go to India, and then this one will go upstairs. That's what I understand. Oh my gosh. Oh, yeah.
தானா செட் பண்ணிட்டான்.
வருமா?
தானா தூக்கி ரெண்டு பேரும். நான் நினைச்சேன்.
Okay.
தானா வருமா?
இந்த படமெல்லாம் தமிழ் படம் எல்லாம் சேனல் நீங்க மேல வச்சு பாருங்கங்கறாங்க.
இதையா?
அத
அதா.
இது ஒரு பெரிய டிவி இல்ல. இது ஒரு சின்ன டிவி.
அது தானாவே வருமா அது?
தானா இப்படி சுவிட்ச் போட்டா தான் வரும்.
சுவிட்ச் போட்டு தான்.
இது மாதிரி ரிமோட்ல அமுத்தணும்.
ரிமோட்ல
மேல நீங்க பாக்குறீங்களா அதே மாதிரி தான்.
அது தெரியாது பையனுக்கு. எனக்கு அதே தெரியாது. பசங்க தான் பார்ப்பான். தூக்கி வைக்க வேண்டியதானா?
தூக்கி அந்த இது அடியில வச்சு செட் பண்ணணும். ஒயர்ல
விஜய் கூட வந்து போறோமா?
இது பாட்டு. இதெல்லாம் யூடியூப். இது யூடியூப்.